Hey there, Ryan Thompson, Thompson Hart team at Royal LePage Prologue. Today I'm standing on the rooftop patio of our newest listing. It's Unit 1403 at 55 Speers Road in Oakville. Phenomenal location. We are just at Speers and Kerr. You got Kerr Village right there, shopping, tons of restaurants, groceries right across the street. You're about a minute to the train station. This building itself, the amenities are fantastic. One of the best in the city. You've got the rooftop that I'm standing on. We've got pool, gym, sauna, yoga room, party room, and many, many more. Why don't you meet up with Randy? He'll take you for a tour of this beautiful unit. Thanks. Let's check out our new listing here in Oakville. Hi there, Randy Hart from the Thompson Hart team. As we step into the main living area here of our 2-bedroom, 2-bath corner unit, you can see tons of natural light flowing in through the floor-to-ceiling windows, huge wraparound balcony, and views of the lake. We've got good-sized primary bedroom with walk-in closet, ensuite bath, and another full bath as well with soaker tub. This building has a ton of amenities, good location, just a great building overall. If you have any questions about it or you'd like to book your own private tour, reach out to us. Again, it's Randy and Ryan from the Thompson Hart team. Thanks.